Hello guys, this is me RGPH and welcome back again to another YouTube video. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna showcasing you how to make a macro in Anime Defenders for gems and trait reroll. Let's go. So let's play Anime Defenders. Then after that, just download the the Arceus X or Delta Executor. Then I will put the description below. Then let's wait for the key guys. So laggy guys. So here just select get key, then go to your Chrome, any kind of Chrome guys, but for me I will using Kiwi because I got a bypass guys for key, bypass for the key like this. Then paste on your Chrome. Then here, if you don't have bypass key guys, you can go to my channel, then find the bypass key. So here guys, I will cut the video guys because YouTube did not recognize this, or I will get restricted. So I will cut the video here guys. Hello guys, so if you can see, we finished get the key. Then go to first download the Archiver, then open it. Download in Google Play Store guys, it's free. Then let's open this, then find the Arceus X folder or Delta Executor folder, then select auto execute. After you select the auto execute guys, just make wait, then select the plus button, the additional button below, then select the note text, then erase, rename it to Buang Hub or Buang only. Just put Buang dot text, then okay. Open the text guys, the note, then open, then paste, just paste here the script. I will put also in the description below. Then save, then that's all. Also same process on Delta guys. Then go to your Roblox with script, with executor, then open, just play guys. Then here, let's wait. If you can see, script executed guys, auto what we call this, auto execute. If you can see, it's working. Wait, I'm gonna off the auto join map first and auto start. Wait, come on. Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah guys. So here, how to start the macro. So this is the first. You can select what equip your unit, best unit guys. Then go to your settings, then select the max speed guys, max speed. Don't forget that guys, to make your game easier. Then go to select mode, infinite, select infinite, then Fossa, the first map, Fossa Village. Then select auto join map, wait here, select auto join map, then auto start, Don't forget to wait. Let's me off the macro first, and let's try. Waiting, guys. Just wait. Let's wait, guys. Here we go. Just wait on the auto execute the script, guys. Script executed. Let's go. Then after that, select macro, then select record macro. Just select record macro. Then let's go. Just put unit, guys. Damage dealer unit, guys. Just put damage dealer unit first before you doing farm like this. Just follow my step, guys. After you select the record macro, just put unit. Let's delete this. Let's put this on front like this. After you put damage dealer, enough damage dealer, then you can start upgrading the farm or put the farm like what I did. Same like what I did, guys. Here, select the farm, max all. I think I will cut the video, guys, because the video is too long. If we can, what ang tawag dito, the video is too long, guys, so let's cut the video. I will put the video on fully max upgrade unit, guys. So let's go. If you can see, guys, all unit is max, guys. We're done maxing all the unit, guys. Then select to back to script, then go to autoplay, then select to auto live, select wave, make it wave 31, put wave 31, then click the auto live, then wait, come back, wait, go to your macro first. Don't forget to off the macro, off the record. If you're done maxing all the unit, off the macro. Wait, why I can't off? Wait, I can click it. Just wait, guys. Yeah, I click it. If you can see, macro saved successfully. Then go back to macro. Wait, go back to macro, then select play macro. Then just wait. If you can see, it's working. Then let's wait until wave 31 for the auto live, guys. Then let's try if it's working on another game, another run. So let's wait until wave 31, guys. We're in wave 29. Just wait. If you can see, he doing that on purpose. I'm not controlling that one. He is only doing the auto macro. That's we called auto macro. Let's wait, guys. We're in wave 30. Last one wave, guys. Okay, auto skip wave. If you can see, we got Treat Crystal and Gems, also the Demon Portal. So let's try it's working. Let's wait here. Let's wait the script executed. Then here the script, if you can see, it's joining, auto start. Put auto start into 2 seconds. If you can see, it's working, guys. I'm not touching anything, guys. He is doing it auto. Here we spawn. Let's wait the script, the auto script executed. Script executed, guys. How many, guys? I see. If you can see, let's wait on auto macro. Yeah, it's working. If you can see. Yeah, guys, doing well, guys. Yeah, it's working. So I think that's all for today's video, guys. If you can see, it's working. So goodbye, guys. That's all for today's video. Thank you.